All right. Wow, I didn't mean to start it. Welcome back, everyone. Today we are working on the PA50 Hobbit swapped Peugeot. Graham from Moped Factory put together this handy pull start for it. I'm going to put it together and give it a few tugs. The Hobbit is a wonderful engine. It's dual variated. One of the issues with the Hobbit is it has starter clutches that engage and they don't disengage until you're going really slow, like 3, 4, 5 miles an hour. Derbies also have this problem. A lot of people will pull the starter clutches and run a pull start or do a one-way bearing. The issue with the starter clutches is that once you start moving, they engage and they stay engaged. So if you are slowing down, it'll lug the engine and keep the engine spinning, and it'll bring it down to a low RPM, and then when you go to accelerate, the engine is stuck at a low RPM, even if your clutch has a high stall. Even if you're using a clutch with a high stall, it'll only work from a dead stop. If you slow down for a stop sign and you don't come to a stop or below the speed that those starter clutches are engaged, that clutch will not be able to stall up. Some people use a one-way bearing to eliminate the starter clutches, but that still gives you the problem where the engine can't freewheel. So when you let off the throttle at high RPM, if the wheels are still spinning, it's going to keep turning your engine over, which I don't really like. I like to let off the throttle and have the engine go down to an idle. These will be available either at Dose or at mopedfactory.com or on my site, cornped.com. We haven't figured out where he's going to sell these yet. Don't forget to like and subscribe and buy me a coffee if you can. Graham's pull start comes with a clockwise pull starter, a housing, a nice steel pawl, and a little spacer for the cover. Install should be a breeze. Remove your stock flywheel cover. Install it like this. Okay. The stock cover does have an offset. So Moped Factory's cover comes with a little spacer that goes on the bottom. And this one goes on the top. Another nice thing about this is you can then remove the decomp. This cover is self-centering, which is really nice. All right. Wow, I didn't mean to start it. that started way too easily. So that's all it takes to install this thing. And like I said, it starts really easily. Yeah, this thing is great. Check that out. Yeah, okay. It installed easily. It was centered easily. The pawl is steel, which I like. Yeah. I'm gonna pull out my one-way bearing and enjoy this. Also, these are not the stock pedal arms, but the stock ones do clear it just fine. That's the product. I'm gonna test this out for a couple weeks, take it on a bunch of rides, see how it does. But it's really sturdy, it's self-centering, it pulls super easy. It lets me eliminate my one-way bearing, which is gonna be great for performance. I don't need the starter shoes anymore, so I'm sold. All right, once Moped Factory gets these on the market, I will be sure to post a link on where you can get them. Yeah.